Hi YouTube, today we're going to be discussing a condition called otitis media, and from the name here we can already see that it's going to have something to do with inflammation because of its itis suffix. And whenever you see media, think of ear. What is otitis media? Otitis media or acute otitis media is inflammation of the middle ear. It usually follows right after a respiratory infection, which we'll discuss why that is later. And this condition is more common in children, and we'll also discuss why that is later. So how does otitis media happen? The pharyngotympanic tube, also known as your auditory tube, connects the nasopharynx of the throat to the middle ear. Pathogens in the upper respiratory system travels to the middle ear through the pharyngotympanic tube. This causes inflammation to occur. Fluid and pus will build up due to the middle ear being inflamed. Then, pressure from the fluid and pus will cause the tympanic membrane, also known as the eardrum, to bulge into the external auditory canal. This is what causes pain and troubled hearing. So on the left is a healthy eardrum, and on the right here, this is an eardrum with acute otitis media, and as you can see, it looks a little inflamed and sad. So why is acute otitis media more common in children? Well, children have shorter pharyngotympanic tubes. This makes it easier for pathogens in the upper respiratory system to travel to the middle ear. Children also have a less developed immune system, which makes it more easy for them to catch an infection. Symptoms of acute otitis media can vary. We have ear pain, troubled hearing.
What? What are they selling? Chocolates! What? Chocolate!
Fever, irritability, and vomiting. So for treatment, some doctors may wait to see if the infection clears up on its own. They'll give it about 2 weeks, but if not, the patient is prescribed a penicillin antibiotic called amoxicillin. Now, even after treatment, acute otitis media can still progress to otitis media with effusion. Now, this occurs when the infection has cleared, but fluid still remains in the ear. So that's the end of that. I thank you guys so much for tuning in, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and donate if you want, if you will. And again, I thank you guys once again so much for watching, and please let me know if you guys have any requests on any videos you would like me to do, any topics you would like me to cover. Until next time, peace.